car audio enthusiasts. In the 63 Lincoln with our box of rocks. I've had a lot of questions from people about, well, what actually did the car make, and I'm assuming they're talking about how many decibels did the car read on the SPL meter. So I thought I would show you what we're making with our box of rocks, get some measurements, and we'll use 2 meters. So we'll use the modern piezoelectric based SPL meter if you like, and we've also got the old school control 3055, which is more of a condenser based, I think, from memory. So one operates with a diaphragm that moves away with sound vibrations and produces some capacitance, and that ultimately produces voltage. With your piezoelectric one, it's more of a mechanical stress that actually creates the voltage and gets you reading. And so the current ones, or the modern ones that we've got now, is much more suitable for high sound. So I've got some tracks. We'll probably do a 48. Actually, what have I got here? I think I've got some test tones I can play, and we'll see what we've got. But for our old school guys, we've got the Flashdance CD. We'll give that a crack too, so let's get to it.
If I only could take all the love that you give and escape to a world crystal clear, where I hear the music, close my eyes, feel the rhythm, wrap around, take a hold of my heart. What a feeling, keeps believing I can't have it all now. I'm dancing for my life. Take your passion.
Okay, so 147.04 on the current stylometer. So let's put the audio control 3055 high SPL condenser style mic in there, and let's see what reading we get. Well everyone, thanks for watching. 143 dB. Not bad at all. Stay tuned guys, see you later.